Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this video I'll show to you guys how you can change the language on Windows 11 computer. So let's suppose that I want to convert my computer from English to German language, and in order to do that we need to go at search and we search for the settings app. Once you find it, you just click over it once and it will open. Once the settings is open, you have to choose from the options on the left time and language. Then you need to choose language and region. Now it will show your Windows display language, which in my case is just English. So in order to add a new language, we need to click over this button here which says add the language. Here you need to search the language that you want to add. So in my case I will just search Deutsch, and once I find it I will just click over it and then I will click over the button here next. And then I have some optional language features. For example, I want to have the full language pack. I want to have the text-to-speech feature. You want to have also the handwriting feature, etc., etc. And the most important feature that I can select from these options here is that I can specify right now if I want this language to be my Windows display language by just clicking over here, set as my display language this language. And then I click over install. So now the language is installing. This could take a few minutes. So now the German language is installed in my computer, and from here I can select if I want the Deutsch language to be my display language or English. If you still want to be English, which is the previous language that you had installed here, you just select English and your display language will be English. And you always have the possibility to add other languages on your computer, not only two languages. If you want to keep the Deutsch language as a display language, it's necessary that you do a sign out and then you sign in again and your language will be displayed, which in this case is Deutsch or German. In case that you want to change the keyboard language, you have to come at this button here, which in this case is showing English, and you just click once over it, and then you have the possibility to move to German language. So you choose German, and now the keyboard language is on German. So basically that's all that you have to do in order to change the display language of your Windows 11 computer. Thanks a lot for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.